Hey there, it's Justin from the Book Like a Boss team, and in this video I'm going to quickly run you through how you can create custom field questions and how to make them mandatory if you wish, so that the person booking an appointment with you is required to fill them out before completing their booking. Now we're in the appointment settings. Click this here and that'll take you to the custom field section. You'll see I've already got a custom question here. If you want to edit one, just click the pencil icon. You'll see a checkbox option that lets you set whether the question is required or not. If you're adding a new question, click on Add New Custom Field and you'll have the same option there. As you're creating the question, you can choose the type, like a checkbox, and decide whether it needs to be completed before the booking can go through. Just fill in your details, hit save, and you're all set. For example, I'll put in a test question with a checkbox and a quick description. After saving, once I've marked it as required, the person booking will need to answer it before proceeding. I hope this was helpful.